Welcome to DealGo. Today, we will talk about how to contact our support or create a ticket if there is a technical problem or a problem in the business. First, if you are facing a problem before registering or login, you can click on the Live Support button on the right. A widget will open for you asking you to enter the email, which is not necessarily required. You can click on the Start Chat button, which will take you directly to the chat interface. You will send the message as usual, just like any other chat interface. The support team will respond to you directly. For example, I will ask it how to log in, and here it is responding to me directly. You can also send any files you want or even review this conversation. Now, we will go to the Sign In and Log In. You will notice that once you log in to the user interface, the Live Support button will disappear so it doesn't distract you and to allow you to make full use of the available space on your screen. However, if you want to contact support again after logging in, you can do so by clicking on the chat icon at the top. This button will open the AI assistant interface of DealGo, which you can ask about anything related to the maritime industry or the DealGo system. For example, I will ask it what an open position is. Okay, it has provided me with the answer to the question clearly. However, if it cannot address your issue, you can always connect with the support team by clicking the Talk to Human button, which will reopen the chat window. You can close the previous conversation by clicking on the menu and then Close Chat. Okay, after that, you can click on the Start a New Chat button to start a new conversation with support. We will ask the same question again. For example, what is an open position? The support team will respond to you directly, and if you would like to ask any other question, you can certainly do that. In case you want to enlarge the chat interface with the support team, you can click on the menu icon at the top, which will show you a list of options. You will click on the pop-up on widget option, which will open the chat interface in full screen mode, allowing you to read the messages more easily. Just like in the chat interface with support, you can also close the last conversation with the DealGo AI assistant by clicking the Clear Chat button here, which will clear the conversation to start a new one from scratch. Now, we will explain how to create a ticket in the system. There are two types of tickets: tickets for technical issues or tickets for business-related issues. We will first explain the technical ticket. For example, if you have a problem creating a ship or logging in and want to create a ticket, you can directly request this from the support team. Alright, the support team will now send you the ticket form for you to fill out. I will enter the username first, then the email, followed by the subject, then the message, and finally click the Submit button. This will create a ticket that will be sent to your email, and the support team will contact you via email in this case. Alright, if you encounter a problem within the business, not a technical issue, for example. If you want to file a complaint about a specific payment not being processed correctly or about a specific negotiation not being followed up properly, you can click on the Create Ticket button on. Alternatively, you can click on the user menu in the avatar where you'll find the ticket button. Clicking on it will take you to your tickets list where you can track previously created tickets, and there's a Create New Ticket button to create a new business-related ticket. Alright, let's create a new ticket. We will start by noting the following details. We'll choose the subject, for example, New Ticket. Then, we'll select the type, such as Payment. Next, we'll write the description for this ticket and choose the module specific to this ticket. We have all the modules available in the system where tickets can be created, such as cargo circulation, general term, or negotiation, etc. We'll select Payment. After selecting Payment, a field will appear for us to choose the specific payment encountering an issue by selecting its reference. We'll randomly select a payment and click the Send Message button to create a business-related ticket. It will take us back to my ticket list where we'll find the new ticket I created. You can monitor its status here, see if it's assigned to someone for follow-up, and check if its status has changed from new to open or closed. By clicking on More Details, you can view the ticket details, read the list of replies, and even add a new reply yourself or upload new attachments to this reply. For example, I might ask, what is the status of this payment? In a reply, then click Send. This will return me to the ticket list where, by clicking on More Details, I can see that a new reply has been added by me. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention.